Hello everyone and good morning. I just checked out at my hotel and I'm going through the car now. Go through my little checklist and then I'll head off to the Bonneville Salt Flats. So I'll take you there and we'll see what it looks like there. Looks like someone parked the best vehicle available next to me here. Stupid minivan. Parks clearly over the line. Look at that. See, that's what I hate about parking lots. So I gotta go around the car, see if there's no damage. By the way, this Porsche here is pretty nice. Let's have a look at it while we're at it. It's from Utah as well. I like the wheels, they look pretty cool. I like the color. Not the car, the wheels. Anyways, I always liked the 911. It's been a little bit of a car that I really liked as a kid, and I never grew out of it. I always liked it. Hey, let's get back to this beautiful car here. See if nobody did some vandalism or hit it with his car. That's that. Has a feather on it. Some crab on it. I don't know what that is, but looks like the car itself is good. Okay, let me put my stuff in and do my checklist, and then we'll drive up to the Salt Flats. All right, see you there in just a second. So I did have to add some oil, and I'm not super surprised. It's to be expected with this year, and mine is not the most extreme in the oil consumption, but it does eat some oil, but I'm okay with it since it's not a daily driver and it's not extreme. All right, we have that done. Let's turn it on, see what it says, and then let's head out. Sounds good with the exhaust closed too, doesn't it? Doesn't sound bad at all. Open it up. There we go. Okay, let's warm it up a little bit. It's pretty cold out here in the morning. I mean, I almost regret I didn't bring a coat. Alrighty. Yeah, engine temperature is already at 68 and going up. So we're good. Alright guys, see you at the Salt Flats. What's going on? That was the second one that was towing the vehicle. I mean, people were pushing it with a tow strap on. I don't think that's a good sign, so let's go see what's going on here. So guys, that was the Salt Flats, and yeah, it's just all water. No speed racing here today. There's just water, and there are a lot of people here, people camping out here. I saw some people from Germany there that I asked them where they're from, and yeah, but it's just water, so no driving on it, and yeah, that was it. I don't know why there's so many trucks that are being towed, and there was some young folks walking back there too. I think I saw a Ford there in the sand, a Focus RS. I think they tried to drive on the sand further up, and that wasn't a good idea. So yeah, I gotta be smart when you go to the Salt Flats, because the weather here in the desert changes pretty quickly, and with all the rain that came yesterday, this turned into water and really deep mud. So okay, I'll get back to you on my next stop. At the next exit, I'll have my lunch break, and there's nothing really to report. The car runs great. Temperatures, as you can see there, maybe a good 2. We have the oil at 196, which is good. Everything is within specs, like they say. So you can really see that there was a lot of rain lately, because everything is wet here in the desert. Yeah, not much else to report. We're very close to the Great Salt Lake here. Can't see it from here though. I'll do another trip where I film at the Great Salt Lake for my other YouTube channel, and maybe I'll combine it with something car related. We'll see. I can see a lot of salt back there if you look straight ahead and then left. Yeah, mountains of salt piled up, where they putting them on trucks. It looks like putting the salt on trucks. So that being said, everything is great. Having my lunch break soon, and after that I'll get back to you guys one more time before finally getting home. And when home, the car needs a good wash, so I'll either do that today or maybe next week, so give me something to do during the week. No, I'm not gonna film washing the car. I mean, it's alright, but I think you've all seen how to wash a car. Now we have some construction going here. Alright, let's shift. Here we go. See what's going on here. Sadly, there's always construction, but I have to say this freeway here is really good. It's in really good shape. Almost no potholes, and it's well maintained. It is really good shape. It's tempting to go fast because it goes straight all the time. There's not much traffic, but you gotta just do what you gotta do. You don't want to get into trouble for speeding. It's not worth it. Okay, let's see if we get a good look at the salt here, and then I'll turn the camera off till my next stop, when I'm almost home. I'll not stop, but when I'm almost home. There's not really a stop either, but my stop will come in a moment. And it is a little bumpy here. There we go. Here, if you guys can see that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. There it goes. Every time you go in 6th gear, it shuts the valve for the exhaust off. That's just how the GT350 is set up. There you go. You see the salt a little bit better out there. Well, that's what we got here. Great Salt Lake, a lot of salt. Alright guys, hang in there. See you in a bit. Alright guys, and I'm home in less than a couple of miles. So interesting thought. I was driving fast on the way back, which doesn't mean I was speeding, but I was speeding up a little faster, and yeah, just driving a little more spirited, like they say. and gas mileage now is at 21.3. See that? 21.3, and that is not the trip to my destination included. It's just the trip back, okay, the trip home. So 21.3 for the trip home. If we do an average of both of the trips, it's probably a little bit higher. So question is this a good vehicle for a road trip? Yes and no. I would say yes, because if the seats are decently comfortable, there is enough cargo space in the trunk and also on the back seat, because this is not a family vehicle. You don't take your family on a vacation in this. You go alone or go two adults in this vehicle. So enough room for luggage. Yes, seats decently comfortable. Yes, they're heated, they're cooled. All good, no problem at all. Navigation works fine. Not the newest system out there, not the best either, but works fine. So no big deal. Could deal with that any day. I could drive through the world, around the world with it. Now, why is it not a good road trip car? Is, I mean, obviously the noise in the cabin is pretty loud with the engine, and even if you close the exhaust valve, the wheels, you know, make a lot of noise in here. So it's not super pleasant for long drives. Also, the suspension is really rough, so this is not a vehicle for bad roads. The wheels break easy or crack easy if you would hit a pothole really hard. The splitter is low, so you have to be careful where you go. And on road trips, sometimes you stop at places to look at something, so you want to pull off the shoulder, or you want to turn around, and in this vehicle that's a little bit tough to do. So that makes it not the best road trip vehicle. The gas mileage is not the best either, but if you have a big full-size truck, you might have a gas mileage that's less than this. So that is not the worst, okay? And I was just honking because the guy in the truck was looking at his cell phone, didn't even look on the road. Alright guys, I hope you liked this little road trip, and I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and check my other channel out too, Enthusiast Walking Tours, and please help me out and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot, and it's all free. Alright, have a wonderful day.